Is your Epson printer not printing black ink even after cleaning? Don't worry, this simple fix actually works. Let's fix it. First, load a few sheets of paper into the tray. Then we'll run a nozzle check without using a computer. Start by turning off the printer. Once it's fully powered down, press and hold the stop button, then press and hold the power button as well. Keep holding both buttons for about 5 seconds, then release them at the same time. Now just wait. The lights will start blinking. Don't worry, this is completely normal. The printer is processing in the background. Give it a moment until it prints the nozzle check pattern. All right, here we go. This is the nozzle check sheet. As you can see, the black lines should form a solid, unbroken pattern. However, the black ink is clogged. The color inks, on the other hand, look perfect with no broken lines. Now let's move on to the first step of the fix. Turn off the printer again, as we'll need to slightly open the top cover. Take a pen, gently lift the scanner unit, then use the pen to press the plastic locking mechanism. Lower the scanner slightly while keeping the lock pressed, then push it outward. Keep the scanner unit propped open securely. Next, slide the printhead all the way to the right side. Now locate the waste ink tube connected to the maintenance box. Keep in mind, the exact position may vary depending on your printer model. Carefully remove the waste ink tube from the maintenance box. We'll manually vacuum this tube using a 50 milliliter syringe to create strong suction. Attach the syringe directly to the tube. Slowly pull back the plunger to create suction and hold it. Keep holding until you see ink flowing into the syringe. This process helps clear the clog since the waste tube is directly connected to the printhead nozzles. Once the ink stops flowing, release the plunger carefully. Make sure it doesn't push ink back into the tube. Next, we need to move the printhead to the center. To do this, rotate the front gear counterclockwise a few times to release the lock. Then gently push the printhead to the right and slide it to the center. With the printhead in position, use the syringe to suction the tube one more time. This helps remove any remaining ink in the capping station. After that, remove the syringe and securely reconnect the waste ink tube to the maintenance box. Close the printer cover. Now let's run another nozzle check to see the result. And there we have it. The test print is perfect, and the black ink is fully restored. In some cases, you may need to repeat this manual cleaning process a few times to achieve the best result. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and happy printing.